Okay, in this lesson, we are going to learn how to use variable. Okay, how to declare variables, how to use variables, and how to display statements together with variables on the browser. Okay, so this is an empty page. Alright, this is an empty page, and then I have already set up my script. Okay, script part. And remember guys, whenever you have a script, you can put anywhere you want. Most of the time, they put it between the head tag. You can put anywhere else, but most of the time they will put between the head tag. Okay, so let's create some variables. Okay, so if you want to create variables in JavaScript, it is very easy. You can straight away do var name, comma, age, comma, salary, comma, CGPA, example. This is how you declare variables. Okay, so you always start with var. Okay, you can do it separately, var name. Okay, let me show you here. Var, let's say, salary, semicolon. You can do it separately, var name. Okay, so you can do it separately or you can join everything together. Okay, so now one thing you should remember is in JavaScript, it is not compulsory for you to declare variable. It doesn't matter. You can use variable without declaring. Alright, so now let's give some values to these variables. Okay, let's say name, because I've already declared, so I have name equals to, let's say, John. Okay, this is how you give values. Okay, and maybe next I want to put age equals to 43, let's say. Okay, and let's say I have salary equals to 190 cents. Okay, and maybe CGPA equals to 2.33. This is how you assign values to a variable. Or if you want, you can straight away do this. Salary equals to 190.80. Okay, you can do this. No problems at all. So up to you. Alright. So now, remember that in JavaScript, there is no separate declaration for string, for integers, for floating point numbers, for characters. Every single thing, every single data type will use the same value, the same declaration var. Okay, so you don't have separate things. The only thing that is different is when you put in the value, for string, you put double quotes. For numbers, you do not use the double quotes. That's it. That's the only difference. Okay. So now, let's say I have these values. I have these particular variables. I want to display the items on my browser. Okay. I want to display on my browser. So what I can do is, I can do document.write. In brackets, I can put name, semicolon. Alright, so if I save this and then I refresh, I'll have John over here. If you feel that this is not nice, you want to have a proper statement, like for example, hi, hi, my name is John. So can. Alright, so what you do is you put double quotes inside the document.write statement. Hi, my name is, close, and then you put plus and then give a space. Okay, so what this does is this particular statement will be joined with this particular variable's value. Okay, can you see the plus sign? The plus sign means that it is going to be joined together. this statement with this variable's value. If I save this and I refresh, I will get that. So this is my statement. This is the value of my name. Okay. Alright. So now let's display salary. Okay, let's change the salary a bit. Okay, let's say I put 100. Okay, I just put 100, my salary. So I want to display this particular salary. So what I do, I can do another statement, document.write, and then I put my salary is close, and then I put plus, I put salary. Okay, so semicolon, don't forget, save, and then refresh. Oh, something is not right here, right? Okay, let's clear some things first. Okay, first thing, I see that these two, the is and the 100 is being joined. Do you know why? Because I didn't give a space here. Alright, so save this and refresh. Okay, it looks much better now. Now, let's look at this 100. This is supposed to be currency. Currency always have a 0.00 at the back. Okay, how to get that 0.00 at the back? Very simple. You have to use an inbuilt function, salary dot to fixed. In brackets, you put 2. Why 2? Because you want to have 2 decimal places after the dot. Alright, so you save this and then you refresh, you'll get that. Let's make it more nicer by putting our currency symbol RM. Okay, looks much more better, right? Now, look at the statement, look at the output, and then look at my statement. Even though I have 2 separate statements, both of the statement is actually in one line. I need to separate. Alright, how to separate? Very simple. You can actually combine HTML tag inside your JavaScript straight away. Okay, straight away. This is your break statement. So you can actually combine this together. Okay, now let's say for example, I want to have the name bolded. Okay, so what I can do is I can put B here for the opening B, and then I need a closing B, right? So what I do, I put plus, open again, I do a closing B. That is what I can do to make the name to be bold. So save this and then I refresh. This is what I get. First thing, I have a bold word, and then I have a very nice looking statement here, 2 statements. How did I do that? I use break. Alright, so this is actually how you can use variables, assign values to it, and then use it to display on your browser. If you feel that you don't want to use document.write to display the items, there's another way. Okay, you can use alert. This is an alert. Okay, for example, let's say I put alert name. Okay, semicolon. Let's see what happens. If I save this, I refresh. Can you see? There's a pop-up. Alert is actually a pop-up for JavaScript. Alright? So because I alert name, so John appears in this particular pop-up. So let's say I put hi, close, plus, okay, that means it'll come out as hi John. Alright, so refresh and I have hi John. Alright, now just for your information, you cannot use any kind of HTML text within your alert statement. In document.write, yes, you can. But in your alert, you are not allowed to use any kind of break, any kind of HTML text inside. It will never work. So how are you supposed to separate? Very simple. Okay, let's continue here. Hi, okay, so I open again. Hi John, full stop. And then I want to have another statement. I can use /n. Remember /n? /n is used in C and C++ to break a statement into two. Alright. Hi John, how are you? Okay, simple as that. So let's run this. Okay, so I have, hi John, how are you? Can you see that the statement is being separated? Why? Because I use /n. So remember, alert /n, no HTML text. Document.write, you don't use /n, but you can incorporate HTML text inside. Okay, so this is how you can play around with variables and display them.